Are you curious to find out if dental implants might be right for you, but don't have the time to take off work to go to an office for a consultation? At Shady Spring Dental Care, we have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Lauren, the Implant Patient Coordinator at Shady Spring Dental Care, where we specialize in making dental implant therapy easy and accessible for our patients. If you're wanting to learn more about replacing a missing tooth, a few teeth, or even all your teeth with dental implants, we offer free virtual or phone consultations. That means you can schedule your virtual or phone consultation with me at a time that works for you and get all the information about our implant process without even stepping into the office. All you need is a computer or your phone. So what do we cover during this consultation? We always start with discussing your wants and needs so we know what's most important to you and the desired outcome you wish to achieve. Next, we'll discuss the dental implant options, the process and expectations, the insurance, and all-inclusive packages that may be the ideal tooth replacement solution for you. What do we mean by all-inclusive package? Well, most dental offices offer general restorative treatment and refer out for specialty treatments like implants, which may require you to travel between multiple locations and keep up with different fees for each office. However, here at Shady Spring Dental Care, we offer the entire treatment here in one office. That means less travel time and less visits for you, and one affordable price for your treatment. Not to mention our dental implant warranty to ensure your confidence in our care. An all-inclusive and transparent price is great and all, but what about payment plan options? Don't worry, we have you covered there too. We understand that dental implants are an investment for our patients, which is why we partner with the best third-party financing companies available. Why? Because we want to make dentistry affordable for everyone, even those with less than perfect credit. If you have other questions or concerns during this virtual consultation or call, we will take the time to make sure you receive the answers you need. So, you've had your consultation and all your concerns and questions answered. What happens next? Well, assuming you have decided that dental implants are definitely an option that you want to pursue, we will then schedule you for an in-office dental implant consultation. At this appointment, we will take 3D x-rays. You will meet with one of our implant specialists and they'll create a treatment plan specific to you. And what's even better, we don't charge you for this appointment. Now, after the dentist confirms that dental implants are an option for you and you're ready to move forward with treatment, you'll then meet with our treatment coordinator, who will give you all of the details on payment plans, insurance, and benefits. Once payment arrangements have been made, we schedule your implant procedure immediately and get you on the path to your new smile that you can feel confident about. So, if you're ready to see if dental implants might be an option for you, click the link or give us a call at Shady Spring Dental Care and schedule your complimentary virtual implant consultation with me, Lauren. I can't wait to discuss your smile options with you.